Hi guys, welcome back to a Kitchen Advisor channel. As always, we share with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we're making cream cheese soup in Instant Pot. Select Sauté program and pour sunflower oil into the inner pot. Add sliced mushrooms and sauté them for about 10 minutes. Now add minced garlic and sauté it for about 1 more minute. Remove cooked mushrooms and set them aside. Place the chicken breasts into the inner pot and sear them for about 2 minutes on each side. Keep moving the chicken breasts so they won't stick to the bottom of the inner pot. When the chicken breasts are golden brown, add peeled and cubed potatoes, onion, carrots and bell pepper. Pour the hot water just to cover the ingredients. Season with salt, black pepper, chili pepper. Mix it well. Now it's time to cancel sauté program. Select pressure cook program. High pressure mode is a default setting. Set time to 8 minutes. Close the lid and turn the steam release handle to sealing position. When time is up, make a quick release. When the lid comes off, take the chicken breasts out, cut into cubes and set them aside. Add the cream cheese and the chopped dill. Puree the soup ingredients and add the cubed chicken breasts and fried mushrooms. Mix it thoroughly. Delicious and creamy cheese soup is ready now. You may serve it. If you like our cream cheese soup, don't forget to press the like button. If you are new at our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of the best recipes for busy families. Check our website at kitchenadvisor.com for more yummy and easy Instant Pot recipes.